Welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna see the kinetic sand part 2 video. So if you haven't seen the part 1 video, go and see it. So it's a very big video, so I split it into 2 parts. So now I got this tool. So I'm gonna put it inside this cup. And then I'm gonna smash it with this tool. It's very soft. So when I opened, it was a little hard, but when I keep playing with it, it's very soft. It is softer than that sand what we opened it last time. So I'm gonna put it inside this cup and smash it this time. Now I'm gonna fill it in and cut it with this toy knife. I'm gonna do it again. It's very soft. Now I'm gonna fill it in this cup and then gonna cut it. So now let's open it. I already opened it, but I didn't open the kinetic sand. We have already seen an opening video in this kind. Now I'm gonna cut it. Now I'm gonna use this mold. This mold is very small. It's a little small, but in that kinetic sand we got a bigger one. It's a popsicle, but I don't know what is this in the top. put it in this fish mold. I'm gonna smash it. This kinetic sand is very soft. This video will be continued in the part 3. So see you in another video. Bye.